Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Cicada season is here. Not bad. Now yesterday I was eating a few cicadas and I took a video of it, posted it to Facebook, and a couple of people went absolutely bananas. I think it was absolutely absurd and crazy and disgusting to eat a cicada, but hey, in Western culture it's not common to eat insects, but when I was in Africa filming Mygrations with a group of 20 other people for National Geographic, we ate termites, we ate scorpions, we ate gigantic grubs. Just what you had to do to survive in a survival situation. And now one serious question I do get, and some people are asking, now can you get parasites by eating cicadas? Well, I think that's highly unlikely, but if my stomach or butt ever starts to feel funny, I'll drink some Safeguards, a broad spectrum goat dewormer. It's made for goats, but I give it to chickens. Humans, they've taken it too when they've suspected they have had a parasite overload. And we are in Africa crossing the Serengeti. There's a good chance we did, so several of us drank it just in case. So, enjoy your cicadas. I'm going to be eating them throughout the summer. Have a great evening.